Thank you so much. And before I turn it over to Mr. Southerland, I would just like to recognize that we have students in the audience from the Future Farmers of America in my district at Fayetteville Perry, and they're seeing democracy in action. And I think it is very timely that they are here while we are discussing the merits of the food safety program, and the food nutrition program in the Farm Bill. And so with that, I will give 5 minutes to my friend from Florida.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I'd like to recognize the efforts of Florida Partnership to End Childhood Hunger and Florida Impact. Both organizations are based in my congressional district in Florida, and I'm proud of their efforts to work with over 50 organizations committed to work collaboratively to address childhood hunger and those in need. The partnership leverages public and private partnerships and federal nutrition dollars to reach low-income families. What is your, and I know you're new in your post here, what is, in your opinion, the role between these public and private partnerships and how they should work together to really address hunger?
Oh, they are. The role of these partnerships is critical. Particularly as they work together in a state, leveraging both their resources and their knowledge, being able to target their resources, being able to be strategic in thinking through how do we move the dial, as I often call it, from where it is today to where we want it to be, to reduce hunger, to improve nutrition. We support these partnerships. Many of them, our regional offices work closely with them. We provide staff support to them. They are an integral part of the work that we do at the regional level and at the national level. It is very important to have these public-private.
I'm assuming you have these similar partnerships around the country in states everywhere and communities everywhere.
We have them around the country, and just for summer feeding alone, the partnerships, the work that goes on in a state with these major partnerships to get information out, to recruit families, to get them involved, but also to provide information, data. Those partnerships are extremely important.
Very good. I also want to mention, I know that our Florida Agriculture Commissioner, Adam Putnam, a colleague of, I know many of those on this panel this past year, I know he has a current pending application before USDA Food Nutrition Service, and it's basically in the Healthy Schools for Healthy Lives Act. And so I just would like, on behalf of my state, just ask your consideration in that application.
Absolutely.
I know that we're eager to work to make a difference, not just in my district, but in the state of Florida. Madam Chair, I know I've got 2.5 minutes, but we want to be good stewards of our time, so I don't want to just ramble. So I'm going to yield back.